All right. Let's get the show on the road. Maybe. Okay. Why is my... Oh, nothing's working again. Hi, everyone. Okay. Alright, got your request in. Oh, Jesus. That's a lot. Okay. Determine silver coinage, right? Twitches. Okay. Alright, I'll give people a few more minutes to get in while I also get the dev session ready. Okay. Wow, today is stream 80. Oh, it still shows as... Okay, I need to change it to active science and math. Science and technology or something. Oh god. The heck's that? But actually that doesn't look very bad. Oh, I should also plug install before I forget, because I have 10 million, like, new Vim things. Okay. That's a random link. Why is commutative algebra so complicated? Because it's actually just algebraic geometry. Not really, but it's getting there. Hola. Alright, we only have 8 today. It's amazing. Oh, I still haven't done IMO 3 yet. Maybe I should do that at some point. Operator. The operator problem better have a solution. Silver. Coinage. G7. AMM 10,728. What is this thing? Sum of sets. Okay. Evan, when is my Otis letter coming? Beats me. I'm done reading, but I'm blocked on the instructors. Because they have to read all of them too. It's maybe not that efficient. Maybe I should nag the instructors. Alright, I guess that's it. Wait, the poll didn't show up. Why isn't the poll showing up? Excuse me? Oh my god. Start poll. Oh, no, it just showed up. What the heck? Hello? What? There's cache of current page. Okay, I have no idea. That was weird. Alright. Submit your votes. What is a reach score and what is a target? I have no idea what those words mean. I think I just applied to schools. Well, when I was applying, I had two words. One was called target, which meant a school I might go to, and one was called backup, meaning I was pretty sure I was going to get in, and I was only applying in case I didn't get into the better schools. And I think my backup was like Berkeley and UCLA. But I didn't say that because people would get mad at me. Did I get in? Yeah, I got into every school except Caltech. Which freaked my parents out, because Caltech was the first decision I got back. And I was just like, lol, Caltech, okay. Yeah, I did not take college admissions very seriously. Because in high school, I had this model that, like, all colleges are approximately the same and they probably all suck. So it doesn't matter which one I get into, as long as I get into at least one. Which I found out 1 year later was not actually true. Some of the colleges are actually different from each other. So if I had known that, I might have spent slightly more time on college apps. But at the time, like, 16-year-old Evan was just like, yeah, whatever. I'll get in somewhere. It'll be fine. Screw it. What is funny? Oh, man. Is that what I'm spoiled on or not? I have, like, no impression of the Iowa shortlist from that year. No, that looks fresh. Alright. My theory is that they are roughly as decent. I don't know if I believe that either. Wait, is the FE actually hard? Oh no. Okay, well, winners are USMO 3 and 2020 G7, so yeah, that's that. I might do, I don't know if I'm going to do two problems today or three problems. If I do get one more in, which one do I want? I'll do the other USMO one, why not? Otherwise Geico will keep requesting it. 27G is disappointing? Oh no. Yeah. It turns out the reason that colleges are different is because the people that go to them are different. That's something I didn't know in high school. Like, people ask me about, like, the differences between the Harvard and MIT math department, and, like, sometimes I answer them, and sometimes if I think they'll take my advice, I tell them that that's not worth thinking about during your decision. It's just like, classes are not that important. Why did nothing show up? Why is nothing working? Did I not save? I didn't save. Okay. Okay, 2020 G7. Actually, I should open this in GeoGebra mode. Apparently there are some parents who think your article is proof that MIT greater than Harvard. Yeah. That was an unintended side effect. Apparently there's some students that think that too, and I'm just like, oh, that's not what I meant to do. This is what I mean when I say people take me too seriously. Wanna become... Oh, there's a spammer. Yeah, I got me on that. Alright. You... Ben. Hahaha. What happened? Oh, some bot just showed up offering to like sell me like views again, so I banned the bot. It was very uneventful. I just pressed ban and that was all. But I streamed it because it was comedic. How do you turn on the command line? I figured out, and now I don't remember. It's like the most important thing. View. Construction protocol? No. Input bar. Goddamn. Why is this not enabled by default? This is the most important feature for... No. Stop. Okay, the input bar appeared. Like, now that the input bar is fine, I'm reluctantly graduating to GeoGebra 6. Oh, I've been told it doesn't have GeoGebra to asymptote, so I might downgrade again later. Because that's actually a feature I need. Actually, maybe I should just do that now, because... Am I right that there's no export to asymptote in here? No, there is. Download as asymptote. Okay, never mind. We're fine. We'll see if it works. If it doesn't work, I'll just switch back to GeoGebra 5. When I first loaded GeoGebra 6, I couldn't figure out how to open the input bar, so I just gave up. And then later I figured out, for unclear reasons. Ah. Oh my god, this thing is so slow. It's faster to just F5 and wait for the... Alright, welcome back everyone to another ISL geometry. This is from the 2020 shortlist. So here we have, oh my god, that's a lot of stuff. It's one of those symmetric ones, okay. Fine, let's draw A. Go there, yeah. ABC is a triangle. And then we draw a circle, and then P is a point on the circle, and then I reflect P across the midlines to some random things. Why is there a mopper cult going to MIT? Sort of by induction is basically what's happening. Like, at some point people started going to MIT, and then there's a domino effect where more and more people go to MIT. The other thing that helps is that MIT actually accepts them. You know, certain other schools that might have had more success. Yeah. Not gonna name any names. All right, these three are they collinear? Also, I'm stupid. That's not how they're. I reflected over the wrong line. I want midpoint of B and midpoint of C. Okay, then this one was supposed to be C, A, A, midpoint, segment B. Very good at reading. Okay, beautiful. Alright, so... where is E? Where did E go? E should be the reflection across. Wait, so it should be on the page. Yeah, where did E go? Excuse me. Where is the point E? How's it that far? Is it that far? It is that far. Okay, so anyways, this happens. And don't need that much information. What percentage? Someone has looked into this, but I don't remember if they posted the results anywhere. I will say that statistically, I think CS is the most common by a pretty large margin. As in they just kind of go write code. Sort of what I do, except they do it for a company rather than for no reason. Okay, also they probably do it better than me, because they actually do it as a job. I don't know. When you do a CS major at MIT, do they teach you like coding practices? Because I feel like I just kind of make stuff up because no one's ever told me what I'm supposed to do and not supposed to do. So I don't know if the people who graduate MIT like learn it from the school or learn it when they get the job. Can you live stream studying for a course? It will be extremely boring except for the parts where I'm swearing, so maybe not. Do you do testing? I don't have unit tests, if that's what you're asking. I have like type checkers and that's it. It is on my to-do list to add unit tests to the Otis website, but that will have to wait until after certain features get implemented. Yeah. I just no one ever told me how to write a unit test, so I've been putting off learning because it's another thing I have to learn, but it's on my list. Alright, 80. Oh, Jesus Christ. This is gonna be annoying. Okay, perpendicular bisector of AD. LB. AD. Here bisector BE. LC is perpendicular. Okay, I drew some perpendicular bisectors. Alright, I don't even know which one is which. No. Haha, okay. So, those are the three perpendicular bisectors. I guess I'll call them something else. Let's call it pink or something. And I should probably draw an A to B in CF. Okay, and then I'm drawing this thing. Oh crap, I shouldn't call him G. Alright, so this is the one for B, and then that's the one for A. So this one can be freaking... I took a pre-calc final the day after a 2-day Olympiad and probably failed really hard. What? You need to study for pre-calc? Isn't it just like a subset of math contests by like a very small subset? Possibly with like random trig manipulations. That's what I remember it being. primes problems. See, the thing is, I stopped writing the primes exam. As of this, I guess people don't know yet because the news set hasn't come out. So I guess I could try to solve them blind. I don't know if I want to though. They're not really my style, to be honest. I always felt a little out of place writing it. It's just... Ah, frick. Polar coordinates. Oh. Rip. Okay, so I'm supposed to draw this pink circle. And then there's like 6 random other circles. We'll call that circle G. And then GA is circle APD. GB equals circle BEP. This is a really complicated diagram. GC equals circle CFP. Okay, I'm gonna draw these in lighter because I don't really care about these 3 circles as much. Make these like dotted or something. Okay, and they all meet at some random point. Okay. 4 parameters? What is a subconfiguration that doesn't look annoying? Stretch this out a little bit so you see the triple intersection keeps landing near B, so I don't really want to. Good enough. What is your opinion of forcing a thing? What do you mean by forcing? Like, kinda. Is the intersection on the Euler circle? It might be. Yeah, looks like it. Okay. Oh, actually that's really strong. Not only is the intersection on the Euler circle. Oh, that's a very... You have a good eye. I would not have guessed that so quickly. Okay, it's on the 9-point circle! And not only that, the purple circles. I guess the purple circles probably vacuously go through then, right? Let me see. Okay, so that means I can ignore 2 of them. So this circle, purple circle is P, A. It's the claim is that it also passes through A, P, D, and D's way up there. And therefore it should pass through that altitude here. So that's fine. And then there's a second intersection. I want to claim this second intersection is on also cyclic with XYZ. Yeah, the Euler circle is another name for the 9-point circle. In the United States, we typically say 9-point circle, but other places will often use Euler circle. Okay, so that just means I have to do with this XYZ thingy. Yep, isosceles trapezoid, bada bing. Okay, okay. Okay, so where does the purple circle meet the pink circle? Is that point useful? And where's the pink circle meet the 9-point? So I wonder which point that is. Is like the... Just apply moving points? Please no. Actually, I wonder if I can just... Where's the orthocenter? Let's put the orthocenter on. Yeah, purple circles just pass through just because they're like... Okay, because the... whatchamacallit? This is an isosceles trapezoid. So it's cyclic. Yes, it's reflected across the midline. So the pink circle here is the only part I really need to think much about. Unfortunately, the annoying thing is the pink circle kind of uses all of the points, which is not ideal. However, let's mark the other intersection here. This G is a terrible name, so we're going to call it like W. Wow, that was a long shot. Oh, maybe it would pass through. Okay, guess not. I don't think I trust myself to do this in moving points, honestly. Because the circle is just kind of crappy, right? Actually, oh, we probably know. Okay, that point has a very explicit description, right? It is the inverse image because we all know what the cyclic quadlet looks like. This point should be on. Yeah. The homothéty that takes the Sauerkraut number to the 9-point circle. Okay, so this point we'll call Q because it's the inverse image of P under inversion, like negative inversion at H. We're not using radius 0. No. Q. Okay, so Q is. Oh, this is really annoying to define. P through perpendicular line from the triangle center of PAD 3. Yeah, so what you do is you take PH and then map it onto the 9-point circle through the negative inversion, and then call that point Q, and Q will just be the point that we want. So that means we can also forget about this circle. We don't need this one anymore either. Bye bye. This is what we care about. So now at least it's down to just these random intersections. Okay, so I want QX. Okay, so that probably means I don't really care about W either. So bye bye. QXYZ cyclic is the goal. That's all. So what the heck are X, Y, and Z? Well, we can compute the angle XYZ. So can you just compute QYZ? Is that angle just computable? Like, can you just get YXZ equals Q? Actually, I don't know if I want to do it that way, though, because now the problem is symmetric again. Like, I had one circle, and I was like, it's one circle. But, now the problem statement's actually symmetric. I think it's like the intersection... okay, circumcircle formed by random intersections is not a great... Like, I'm not really happy I'm intersecting two pink lines. Although I kind of know what direction the pink lines are going in, maybe. It's a little hard to say. I probably should include a comment where, like, yeah, the negative inversion thing needs to send A to D. That's important for this proof to work. Complex bash? I'm not gonna deny I had the thought, but computing X sounds annoying as heck. I mean, I guess if we were taking a contest, you probably just do it because you know it's going. Actually, I don't even know if I would finish. That's a little dubious. Perpendicular bisector of B. Why is it the perpendicular bisector? That's like so silly. So can I feel like I'm only using addition. If I have like, if I reflect it around the midline of B and then take the perpendicular bisector of BE, is that anything? Like, is there some natural interpretation for that? Okay, let's draw on the midpoints. I guess we might as well. MA is the midpoint of A, MB is the midpoint of B, and C is the midpoint of C. No, I don't. I just want to. Just. Okay, I'm definitely downgrading back to GeoGebra 5 at some point. This was IMO 20. This is SL 2020 G7. Well, let me pick where to save. Oh, well, let me play. Pro Gamer. I wonder if I should be like constructing. Let's see. What happens if I reflect Q? Does that do anything interesting? So the reflection of Q across the three sides is collinear on like the Simpson line of Q with respect to something something. I don't know if that does anything. I just like trying to complete more isosceles trapezoids. Q, if I make a Q sub A there, is that point like useful? What's this pink line? What is XYZ similar to? Because I can compute the angles of triangle XYZ, right? So, so XYZ, the angle between, let's say, let's do it as Z. So YZ and ZX is the same as the angle between BE and AQ. And that's like a reflection. So, I can't do this in my head. Jesus Christ. AQ is really the same as DP. Which is same as AQ. Wait, AQ is related to DP, which is related to... Is it? Oh, maybe I could just angle chase. What happened to trying IMO3? No one requested it. I guess I could try it if people want to watch me try it. I'm not opposed to that, but no one asked for it, so... Ah! That's not good. Where'd Yojiro go? That was weird. Okay, so... Wait, can I just actually compute the angles now? Directed angle QIEX. Okay, I'm just gonna try to compute the angle. It might be possible that you can just compute it. I doubt it, but it's worth a shot. So QY. The hard part is I don't know I don't know exactly what direction it's going in. Maybe? What do I know about Q? Like, I know the... Shoot, I had it something a moment ago and I forget what it was. Alright, I think I should name the foot. What do I call the foot? I'm out of like... Usually I call it DEF, but those are taken. Let's call it... Oh, we're slipping. I don't know. Did I do that right? Is that what I think it is? Let me make sure I'm not crazy. Yeah, okay. So if you straight angle chase, you get AQH is equal to... So... Are these... wait, is that tangent? Is that what it means? No, it's not. Who am I kidding? What does it mean if AQH is... if those angles are equal? Help. That has an interpretation, right? What's the tangency interpretation? Also, why do I not know this? So you straight angle chase, these two directed angles are equal. Oh no, it doesn't do anything. Never mind. QA is not in the same place. Well, I guess the upshot is that it means I basically know what the angle QA... Yeah, either way, it does mean I know like what HQA looks like. What I want is like... Is BQC plus YXZ equal to 90? Probably. BQC is about 80. YXZ is 13. Oh, apparently not. I don't know. Try to just try to complex spell shit. Sounds like pain. Intersecting two perpendicular bisectors does not sound that much fun. Like, is there? Oh, I can get access to XQY. XQY was determined by. Because that's not. Alright. XQY is like. The point is XQY is the perpendicular bisector of FC. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna be right back. If anyone have an ad break they want to redeem. Maybe that's no. Alright. BRB. Wait, did I get raided just as I was gone? Are you serious? Actually? Oh my god, I literally was... Okay, right as I was gone. Okay, okay. Well, hi everyone, I'm Evan. Wow, that was really bad timing. Hi everyone, I'm Evan. I'm a math PhD. I stream competition math here every Friday at 8 p.m. Eastern, 5 p.m. Pacific. We are trying to solve a geometry problem right now. Yeah, thanks all for coming by. That was really bad timing. Okay, where were we? So far we have it down to let's see. I think I should keep this circle in. Where is this one in? This circle's pretty strong, right? Because this is the one that gives us the most information about Q. I might have to just complex magic because I'm not seeing it. XZ, B. This intersection is just really awkward. I guess, okay, in this picture, when I have this perpendicular, so Z is a point such that, what, ZA equals ZQ and ZB equals ZE? Is that how it's defined? It's just really hard to get angle information out of that. Oh man, I'm definitely switching back to GeoGebra 5 after this. Okay, so Z is equals Z equals ZD, and... no, that's wrong. ZA is ZD, ZB is Z is the constraints. I want to try to... maybe I should just force it. That sounds like so much pain. Okay, fine. We'll do it the hard way. So the equation for Z is Z minus A squared equals Z minus D squared. So do the conjugate thing and expand. This is A. So A minus D. I'm so bad at this. A minus D Z bar plus A minus D Z should be equal to something. I forget what. I think this D is not that good. It's okay. Z minus A bar. Z bar cancels out. So this is like D bar minus A bar, which is 1. And then D is... Is there a good way to do that reflection that isn't like disgusting? So okay, the way you do the way to do the reflection is if P and Q are the points where that mid thing. Yeah, it's just the A foot thing is kind of annoying. I don't really want to use the general foot thing. I'm gonna search short circuit a little bit. So D will be given exactly by P plus Q minus PQD bar, where P and Q are equal to the endpoints of the chord containing the two midpoints. Yeah, and P plus Q will be equal to the sum of the midpoints. So it'll be exactly equal to A plus B over C over 2. And P times Q, well, we have this relation MB plus MC equals no, hang on. How does this go? P plus Q is equal to MB minus MB bar PQ or something like that. This is the chord formula, right? Or this is a plus sign. So this will also let us compute P times Q, because it'll be given exactly by P over P times Q is like why isn't that not symmetric? Shouldn't that be symmetric? P plus Q minus MB. MB is A plus C over 2. Oh yeah, that's fine. A plus B over 2 divided by conjugate A plus C over 2. So, oh no, there's a lot to care. What did I do? Oh. One moment. Okay, so A plus B divided by conjugate A plus C over 2. Is that the right degree? That's the correct degree. Did I mess anything else up? Okay, so the 2's die. You have 1 over A plus 1 over C. And you have an A plus B. Wait, no, sorry, it's MB on the bottom. What am I doing? Thank you, Icy Yogi, for the follow. Okay, so 1A, 1B. It's still not symmetric. Man, I'm too old for this. B plus Q should be the same thing as it's A plus B plus C over 2. Is it A plus C? No, it is A plus C. Am I a crazy head? This is a true statement, right? And then P plus Q is that sum. MB is A plus C over 2. So when I take that out, I get A plus B over 2 left over there. And B bar is that thing. So this is like A plus C over 2AC. Oh, I'm a stupid head. P plus Q is not just P plus Q is not the thing I claimed it was. That's just wrong. I was like, why is this not checking out? Okay, those are the correct statements. Which makes me think this might be worse, actually. It's not that bad. Okay, so we're just gonna... I think this is worse. I think I should just do the thing that was suggested and plug in directly into the foot thing. So normally the foot is what? MB minus MC. Yeah, this isn't any better. Get a new insult. Okay. I mean, I'm frick. Oh, let me write down what it is. So M bar. CP plus okay, so normally the foot is this, right? The foot is that giant blob there. I think I probably don't need the diagram anymore. We can switch to Zethura mode. So that means that's where the foot is. So D is given by when I get rid of the this thing and then clean it up. So you drop the 2 and you write that. Okay, so this is not that bad. For D, it's at least the equation for D is not that bad. It's given by MB minus MC. So there will be a B minus C that factors out, I think. So it will not have a denominator. So midpoint of B minus midpoint of C is C minus B over 2 times conjugate P. And then there's some crap over 4. And then on the bottom, it's like A, C, 1 over C minus 1 over A, B. Something like that. Okay, so what's the crap over 4? So this is 1 over A. That's 1 over C, B plus C, minus 1 over B, plus 1 over C. No, this is A plus B. A plus B. Something like that. Oh, and the bottom has a half as well. Okay, fine. So let's clean this up. 2 C minus B P bar. So now I have to expand that thingy. So there's a 1 that cancels, and then there's like the A coefficient is 1 over C minus 1 over B A, and the other stuff, the 1 over A coefficient is oh my god. The 1 over A coefficient is something. It's probably the conjugate of that. B minus C, 1 over A. And then finally there is a contribution of B over C minus C over B. And then on the bottom we have 2, 1 over C minus 1 over B. Okay, so let's clean that. So this is, the first thing is half A, the second thing is like, minus BCP bar plus half A plus BC over 2A, and finally B squared minus C squared plus B plus C. Also over 2. Okay, so let me do a quick sanity check. If I did this correctly, then it's symmetric in B and C, which it is. The degrees are all +1, and the sum of the coefficients should be like something sensical. Yeah, it's equal to unity. Thank you, Santi Jara, for the follow. Okay, let's keep going. I think this is small enough that I can just do it. Unfortunately, I don't know how much it will help, but why is D equals P plus Q minus PQ D prime? Oh, that was a while ago. Sorry. It's not. Or no, it is, but it's basically because like if you drop a point onto a chord of the unit circle, the formula is like P plus Q plus Z minus BQ Z bar all over 2. Okay, so all right, let's keep going. Actually, wait a minute. Wait, actually, those coordinates, the B plus C collect, right? This is A plus B plus C over 2. Hold on, what? So does that have an interpretation? BC over 2A is like BCP bar. Is it this point? So this is an isosceles trapezoid. I should have noticed. Really? No, I don't believe that. Yeah, that's not true. Although, I might want to construct that point anyways. So this is a point, this is the reflection of P across. Its coordinates are like B plus C minus BC P bar all over 2. This is a parallelogram. That's like the point D. Probably. I'm gonna do something with this piece of A. So P sub A lies on like, not the sim. Interesting. When I do this reflection, thank you, Petrip, for the cheer a few minutes ago. This is probably important though. So it's like I have a, so I can reflect P across the three sides of the triangle, and that will give me like 3 points that are collinear with the orthocenter H. This follows from like some Simpson line stuff or whatever. So that's like this gray line here. It's like if I constructed the other things, PB and P sub C, I would get points on this gray line. Can I get any cyclicity type result out of that? Where's the circumcenter of PA sub DA? Doesn't matter, where's the circumcenter of PAD? Nope. That looks like a mess. Yeah. I should probably be paying attention to this point anyways, though, right? Where do you submit answers? When you get to a point where you can submit answers, there will be an obvious answer checker. There's no answer checker at first. I feel like I should be trying to use like P sub A in some way. Like, does this... Is he the circumcenter of something? That I can tell. Does not point anything useful. I don't think so. Yeah, okay. Do I just keep computing this then? I guess I can keep computing this. Alright, let's go. I messed up a sign here. These should have bars over them. Where did I mess up? Thank you, Brian ZJK, for the chair. Okay, so... Okay, so it's equal to that, and then this is going to be equal to some disaster. Oh my lord. It's one of those days. Okay, so the right hand side is some thing, and then A over BC plus, so another 1/4, and then plus like A over BC, so like A squared over 4BC plus BC over 4A squared plus another thing, which is like 2A over C plus 2A over B. Oh, I forgot to mention P bar is 1 over P. So that seems useful to know. Do I really want to keep doing this? This is gonna work. This is looking really bad. I don't know if I can finish it this way. Am I just missing something? I feel like the coordinates of D are way better than what I thought they would be. I don't see quite how to use that. Are there 3 quarters and 1 quarter? Well, I'm gonna merge them later, but I was keeping them separated just so I could keep track of what I've multiplied. I keep thinking the circle goes through A. Well, the purpose of this actually. Well, that's the problem done. I just don't see how to tie Q in with X, Y, and Z is the problem. Like, I basically haven't used anything about X, Y, and Z yet. Like, at all. Is there anything I can do with a parallelogram? Does it center lie on something? That's fine, the center lies on the 9 point. Yeah, that's always true. That should follow. So is this point related to Y and Z somehow? That's what I really want. Is this point of any connection to Y or Z? Hmm. APLA, APLA. Yeah, the purple circles. Yeah, we have that already. The common point will be Q. Is Z not the center of something? No. Yes, P and Q. Wait, what? Oh yeah. Yeah, that's in response to that. Yeah, so those circles are all coaxial with those two things, with P and Q as the... Yeah. I don't see it. Oh. No, they are. It is tangent. I don't know why I said it wasn't earlier. AQ is tangent to that circle, right? I don't know the... Or AD. Yeah. That point is on something. When am I... Okay, well, no, it's not. Yeah, that's a tangent. Why did I say it was not tangent earlier? I'm just stupid. Okay, so we have that tangent C. Does that do anything? I don't know if that's helpful at all. That is there. Yeah, this is something. AQH is not that good though, otherwise. Like the power of D. Yeah, that's still no good. I don't know. Why? How do I deal with XYZ? Yeah, I tried for a while and then gave up. I thought for a moment it might be feasible, and then I'm like, no, definitely not gonna work. Not with my hands. I'm too clumsy to do a computation that is like 30 terms. I can do like 5 terms. Oh, is this gonna be some kill black magic? Oh man. It's the Mikkel point. Oh, okay, alright. 现在不好. ADP ECF? Oh, are they concurrent? Okay, so there are the 3 centers, and what I'm going to claim is that Q is... If I can get any of them, it's okay. So, should I go after like OBOCX? Or something? Are ADB, E, and CF concurrent? I can check. I'm not actually... Let me see. No, they're not. They do not concur. Okay, this is gonna be some Mikhail stuff. Okay. So, now that I know that, we're going to... Oh, Jesus Christ. Which 3 should I keep? I want to keep any 3 non-collinear ones. I don't like X, Y, and Z, so I'm gonna hide out... What is this thing? Whatever, this is the one I want. We'll use it. It's Mikkel. Okay. Ah. Okay, so don't show this one. Don't show this circle, I think. We can hide this circle. And now we can hide Y and Z. So now we have 3 points. They are the point X, the circumcenter of BPE, and the circumcenter of PCF. So this center, this center. I really picked 2 pretty bad ones. And we want to show these 4 points are cyclic. Q here. So okay, so we know the angle here because it's like the thingy through something or other. I don't know what. Doesn't matter. So we don't actually care about x. I just need to show that the angle OBMOC is controlled. So I can hide x as well, which is great because all 3 of the points that were making my life hard are gone. Oh, yes. Good riddance. I was staring at those for so long, being like, what the heck do I do with those? Okay, now they're all dead. Yes. Alright. How do I... This doesn't need to be so hard. Okay, okay, so I have circumcenter of BPE and the circumcenter of PCF. Oh, those are really bad in this picture. And I have a point Q. Can I switch to A? It doesn't matter which one to do, right? I need to control the angle with Q with respect to this line. Does this have a common... This looks like it just passes through the midpoint of PQ. Is that true? I hit all these circles that I needed. Yeah. So it's really like the circumcenter of what? If I take 2 of these, let's take these 2. This purple one, this purple one. Yeah, I can control the angle using like something. But I should know how to do this. If I have 2 circles that intersect and I have both their intersection points and I want the angle, there's a thing that's similar to, right? Maybe? Maybe? Hang on. So I'm using A and B, so the asymmetric one is C. So I want to look for something that's like on... Or I can just compute the angle. Well, the problem is there's a P in there everywhere. Okay, calm down. What is this? So there's the lines through, I have PDPE are lines, BE and AD are lines. I don't need this anymore. This was something I was just desperately trying, so we can delete it. I don't need this blue line either. It's like I have OA and OB, and I need to compute angle OBQOA. And once I have that angle, it should be okay. Is F always well defined based on just that? I can't tell by looking, sorry. I think Q is still too close to line AB. It's making it hard to read what's going on. How about I do something like that? So I have this green, orange, green, orange. They meet at Q. If either of these lines pushed through, it'd be a spiral sim, but it's not. So I don't want to do that. Can I just like use like... I could just do a... manually, maybe? Wait, because like PBQ and like PAQ... That seems pretty shitty. Really? I don't need to see the circle right now. I don't need CF for the moment. We can hide this one too. This diagram's a total mess. Okay, so goal is the same. I have P given, OB appears, OA appears. I want to compute the angle OBQOA, where Q is like that homothenity whatever. Oh, I have the feet. I haven't been trying to use the feet. That's probably my ticket out, right? Okay, I'll add in the other foot. Okay, so ALB. BLB, sorry. I want BLB. So what, should I think of it as like... Oh, crap. Okay, so Q, OB, OA, and those are the same thing. Wait, how does this not just kind of work? All right, let's write down the angle chase because I'm too low IQ to do this with no paper. Because I'm a stupid head. Okay, this, I don't need this anymore. Let OB and OC, let O, hang on, OA and OB be the circumcenters of these circumcenters. I'm just gonna leave it at that. Okay, so we are going to I'm trying to compute angle OBQOA. That angle is equal to OBQP plus PQOA. That angle is, so OBQP I can move on to some other random OBQP is, yeah. So this is like 90 degrees minus directed angle OB, not OB, P point Q. So I'm going to move this to PLBQ. And the other one is should 90 degrees minus directed angle QLAP. So this is like QLBP plus directed angle PLAQ or something silly like that. Maybe that's as much as I can do as written. Actually, that's a is that a parallelogram? It's not, right? That would be ridiculous. Alright, let me leave that there for now. And see what else I can squeeze. On the other hand, OB, OA. Back when the pink lines were there, what the angle we wanted was OBZOA. And that was equal to, first you rotate them by 90, so it's equal to the angle between direct line BE and the line AD. And AD is a reflection across something or other. So this is equal to some... Okay, this is going to be really weird. I'm sorry. I don't see all... Okay. I don't think I've ever done it quite this way before, but it's fine because I know what I'm doing. This is like... We're going to write this as argument BE minus argument AD, which is well-defined. You can treat it as complex argument, and because... You know, things work. It's okay. It's okay. I'm not selling you a bridge. And okay, so this is like twice arg BC minus arg PLA. I might have flipped the sign. Shit. I'm always doing it like... Am I doing it the right way? I think this convention is flipped. It should be AD minus BE. Doesn't matter because we'll flip it again in just a moment. But... minus... Hahaha. Okay, then I have 2 arg AC minus arg. Instead of PLA, I should have PLB. Okay, I think we should be almost done. Okay, so this is something like 2 angle ACB minus directed angle LB PLA. On the other hand, this top expression, it's like, these are like the sum of 2 angles in a quadrilateral, right? It's like QLB, yeah, this is 2020 G7, and then PLAQ. So this would also be equal to, so these are counterclockwise, so now I want the clockwise angles. So this is equal to directed angle LA, P LB plus directed angle LB QLA. And LB QLA is known because it's on the 9-point circle. Alright! Alright, that should kill it. We should be done now. Okay, that's the solution. Oh, I'm sorry. I just literally just finished. So that was a big spoiler. LBQLA. Oh my god, it was a Mikhail. Man. I didn't expect that. Now do IMO 3? Jesus, I've had enough Geo for today. This took 2 hours, right? I guess that's okay for a G7. 2 hours. Did you expect the Spanish Inquisition? What? What does that mean? Okay, I'm gonna assume that's some meme that I'm too old to know about. It is from the 70s? Wow. So I am so old that I don't know a meme from the 70s. Is that what you're telling me? Oh, the green screen's really acting up now. I can't wait till I get back to Boston and I have a proper gaming PC. Let's turn more red. Made it worse. We're doing it live. All right. Okay, so I think my setup is working well enough that I can actually do a write-up now. Let's find out if that is true. Von add. Whoa. What did I do? I didn't know you could do that. It prints the current directory. Okay, Alt D. That's good to know. Okay, and ta-da. It's going to take me a while to get used to this new finder where it jumps to the letter you type. Oh, I'm too young. Okay, that makes me feel a little better. What's the command that I bound for? I put it on V. Okay. Yeah, that's a bad slide if I don't. Also, why is CLC? Here, no, npm run build. All right, we'll just let that go. Okay, so where'd GeoGebra go? I need you. Okay, so let's see if this works. If I go here and type file, download as ASCII. It makes it a TXT. Okay, is it still a really disgusting code? Or has it improved since last slot? Oh yeah, that's the old stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna need to update my script for GeoGebra 6, but for now, wait, did that do anything? I didn't see anything happen. Oh, now it's running. All right, whatever. Yes. Why didn't the script work? Oh. Okay, so great, we have a diagram. Although now that I think about it, I think I wanted to put some of the points back, right? Whatever. What is... Yeah, okay, I need to clean up the diagram first. Okay, you go bye-bye. I don't want the lines is the thing, because those will mess it up. And I probably want to put all the pink lines back, because those are important for the solution. So go here, you can appear, you can appear, you can appear. And then we call them X, Y, and Z. Okay, what things did I not need? Is there anything in this diagram I don't need? think I really need this line or this line. And I think I want to move things over a smidgen. I don't need N sub A. That point never played any role. LB. I actually don't need the midpoints either, right? They didn't do anything. I don't need this angle here. That's Croft. This is Croft. Oh my god. This, okay, I'm switching back to GeoGebra 5. This is ridiculous. I literally need to, like, every time I save it, I have to apparently, like, go back to the directory and, like, retype the file name. Like, why? Dad malpractice. What's wrong with that title name? Sounds like something that would happen in real life. Okay, cool. But I don't want these to be lines because they will. Ah, crap. Oh god. We did 2020 G7. We might do one more. I might not actually. I might only do one from today. Because I'm kind of... I need to write code. Maybe I'll do one more. I'll try. Is the USMA 1986 easy? Will I solve it? I'll look at USMA 1986 and then decide if I want to do one more. I think this GeoGebra just doesn't have the concept of a file. Alright. Download as asymptote, export. Put it in downloads. Replace. This procedure is actually slower, I think. Okay. What do you mean size 0 cm? Okay, let's define... Wow, that is an awful diagram. Why are all the line widths so thick? Line width 2. Line width 1. What do you mean no matches? Do I need to escape the characters? How do I use this? That didn't do anything. God damn it. Yeah, you can tell I changed a lot of things on my setup recently, so I still don't remember most of the mappings. It should be S. I don't know why it didn't work. Why did it error? Okay, I don't know. Wait, is it because... Do I escape one and not the other? It's still error. Okay, I give up. We'll just do it by hand. This is embarrassing. What the heck? How can it be this hard to do a find and replace? Okay, we did it. The thing is, the script should have done that, actually. I'm surprised it didn't catch it. Probably because I am on GeoGebra 6. Series of PAD, PPE, PCF. We'll call okay, so claim AQLA PD is cyclic, and so on. Okay, so ADPLA is cyclic because it is an isosceles trapezoid, while AQLAP is cyclic by power of a point from H, the end. And then claim Q is the McHale point of complete quadrilateral XYZ OAOBOC. Okay, and then proof it is sufficient to show that Q lies on this. Which one did I do? OBOAZ. Hang on, what? Yeah, that is how it works. Yeah. Cleaves on OB, OA. This is just an angle chase. And let's copy in the angle chase. Make sure it's ACB. Whatever, I don't care. Are you still taking problem requests? Probably not. The voting was like 2 hours ago. You come at, yeah. Yeah, the V-Buck economy is booming, apparently. Ah, okay. I think I should break that onto a different line. Okay, Freak! What the heck? Alright. Geometry. I think this counts as American. Okay, this is pretty nice. I'm good with that. Okay. Oh my god. What? Does AOPS not have ARG? Is that the issue? Okay. I don't know what else the bug would be. What do you mean there's a LaTeX issue? What? Excuse me. Oh, it's because of the percent dash. Can't have that. Okay, let's remove. God, mistakes were made. I don't typically take advanced requests because there's just too many requests, just period. But yeah, sorry. All right. Okay. I feel like the overlays have not been working today, and I'm not sure why. But let's do... Shoot. Let's see if this shows up. Okay, that showed up. So I don't know what it is with stuff today. Code? It means Evan writes Python code. Okay, so that's showing up too. I don't know anymore. Anyway, we'll be back in a few minutes, and hopefully this time when I take a few minutes break, I don't get rated exactly as I leave. I'm so sad. He hasn't rated me in a really long time. It was like, oh, it would have been nice to be in there to say hi when he came by, and then he picked the like 2 minutes I was on the toilet. I'm like, okay. Okay. It looks like I get a break from math. Hey, should I get an overlay that shows the viewer count? Would that be a thing worth having? I thought you said I kept her. Well, I just put it up to a vote, you know. I was expecting people to want the use mode problem, but apparently people want to watch me code, which I guess is fine. Because I have so much code I need to write. We'll do it next stream, alright? I'll vote. What is the use mode 1996 actually? I'm curious what it says. Desktop. Oh jeez, it's a geo-unique. Oh, you get to pick the line now. Oh, okay. Cute. Alright, so one moment while I get my development server set up. then. Okay. I need to be careful to not accidentally leak any keys. It's because the kind of thing I do. Didn't I set this up already? Alright, well, apparently I didn't set it. Okay. Wait. Oh, hang on. I don't have the... God. What's the plugin that lets me automatically connect? Auto activation. VF. Okay, good. Much better. Okay, so... I need to create a super user because this is a fresh... install. Okay, so what feature should I implement first? Oh, freaking. All right. Wow, they need a lot of setup. Oh, come on. Wait, how do I deal with this? This is a fresh install. So there's nothing. So I can't log into admin? That can't be right. Freak. Okay, we'll do the very intelligent thing and copy paste this message. I really should use IPython. There we go. Sure, why not? It's a development password anyways. Alright, so if you've ever wondered what Otis admin looks like from the inside, this is what it looks like. And alright. We're on a roll. Okay, so what's on my list of things that I need to develop? Oh, added slide equals 1. So the registration, I think, is working. People wanted... Oh, so the first thing I need to do is fix the fact that, like, the assistants are, like, completely borked right now. Let's make some test data. So let's create a new semester. year 1 active. We'll say this is Walt's year. Good enough. Don't need the other stuff. Let's build some students. Oh, but for that I want to make users first. Okay, let's make users. Whatever. Okay, add user, Bob, or make something up. Bob beta, and then add da-da-da. Okay, amazing. So now let's make some students to attach to these. Let's put them on weekly, why not? Even though that option definitely doesn't exist anymore. We'll put this one on correspondence. Actually, I probably should have, whatever. Okay. Amazing. Okay, so now let's make a staff user. Because I think the staff experience right now is like really broken. Who's a good, what should I call the staff user? Anyone have user name suggestions? W enhance. We'll call W enhance. Joe. Too late. Joe and it can be called Joe enhance. And he's gonna be like make up some email addresses. Alright. So right now if Joe enhance logs in, Joe enhance will see all of these people, which is not what I want. Because I want to only see the people that Joe is actually teaching. So first, let's actually create the assistant for Joe. Add assistant. It's W enhance Joe. Oh crap, that doesn't work. I have to do it from the other end. Alright, let's say Joe is teaching Bob. Why not? Great. Joe. Alright. So let's hijack Bob's account again. Hijack. Oh, wait, no. That's not what I wanted. I want to hijack Joe. Shouldn't Joe be listed as an instructor here now? Yeah, hijack W enhance. Okay, so let's see. When Joe goes out, he sees all these randos, and then he can't access most of them, so we need to fix that first. Yeah, evil chin hijacking Bob. Okay, so that's probably under the roster utility functions. Get visible students if current. Get visible from course set. user.is. Okay, yeah, I should probably. Okay, so if user.is super user. If user.is staff. So we're going to return. Actually, I think that's just it. It's just that, right? Okay, now it works. When I go to. Okay. That was surprisingly easy. Okay, git commit. I don't have my GPG key on this account, so this is gonna show up a little strangely. I'll let Evan merge it later. Actually, yeah, let's do this whole thing on a different branch. Get reset head tilde1. Oops. Okay. Couldn't do. Alright, where was I? I'm gonna do this on a different branch. Star. Just so that it doesn't confuse me later. Fix assistant listing bug. How many different things can go wrong in one editing session? Get config commit.gpg sign equals false. Okay. What? I thought an SSH key. Okay, it's a very hard fault commit. Okay, what else do I need to fix? I want to set this such that on this page I can see what level everyone is, because that would be funny. So let's do that. So current. Where do I get that list? Maybe it's under a dashboard? I don't know where I put it. No. It's under dashboard. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so we're going to do students equals students.annotate. Crap. Let me do it this way. Annotate level. Reset. Query set. Student roster .models .student. Query set roster.models.student. Alright, so make sure that compiles. Okay. .annotate. Sorry, this is going to be a really long annotation. So, How does this work? Is this my Pyrite is the one that's doing most of the work. Alright, let's do the easy one. This equals. Actually, I don't know if any of them are easy. Okay, time to read the annotation. Okay, so I think it's like clubs equals sum? Filter equals sum. Alright, so let's see. Club. So I want to look for problem or p set with. Oh crap. Clubs. Filter equals q. P set approved. Is true. P set eligible equals. I think the quotes are wrong. Maybe. Is that correct? Well, only one way to find out. Annotate. Oh, we'll annotate the clubs on it, and I'm going to modify the template quickly just so that I can see. Okay, so this should be under dash templates. Oops. Temp dash stew list. Yes. Yeah, sure, why not? Name. Okay. Let's watch it crash. Crash! Oh, actually did something. Unfortunately, I see. If there's no problem set submitted, it probably won't generate a thing. Oh crap, so I need to make some dummy units, don't I? Okay, fine. Alright, let's do that. Release Django admin. So I need to make some make up a unit. This is a lot of work. I should have more test data. Dummy. BMW, like the car. Did that work? Okay, now there is a unit. No, wait, I need to. Which link is it? Selection form. Is the form supposed to look this broken? I don't remember it looking this broken. Finalize. Beautiful. All right, let's submit the dummy unit. Leave blank for any. Hours spent. 9,000. Thanks. 950. Oh shoot, content is a required field. It only accepts a PDF. Submit. Okay, I guess I will go approve that now. Approved. Watch him level up like, holy shit. Level 100! Hey! Okay. Yeah, he spent a really long time getting his 47 clubs on the dummy unit. So now he's level 100. Alright, so let's see if that worked. Holy shit, that actually worked! Wait, I didn't think that would work out of the box. Oh yes, that's beautiful. Wow, okay, wait, so this aggregate thing just works? I was expecting that to fail. Okay. Where was I? Wait, so this is actually the correct line of code, right? Like, the clubs is the sum of that. Okay. Heart is the sum of pizza hours. Hearts. Put a comma there. Okay, spades is more complicated. There's two contributions to spades. Spades quizzes is the contribution from the sum of exam attempt score. I think that's it. There's just no filter on that. And then spades equals F spades quizzes plus F spades UCMO. I don't know, just this value of UCMO. And diamonds is sum diamonds, no filter, diamonds. I think. No, it's called achievements. Sorry, this is called achievements. It's diamonds. What is max number of diamonds achievable? Depends on how many I put in. Yeah, this is the Django. This is the Otis website. So if you're not an Otis and ever have been curious what the website looks like, it looks like this. Okay, does Django let me take a square root? Can I have a square root of columns? Probably not, right? I should just do that in the view. I can do that in like a template tag, I guess. Okay. Okay, so we register a filter whose name is called level, which takes in a student roster.models.student. So I probably have to import this from roster.models. I'll just do it this way. Student. And get an integer and return some there. I'll just do it this way. Level plus equals get attribute student clubs 0 or 0 Level plus equals get attribute hearts 0 or 0. Hang on. Int square root. All right. And then spades is the weird one because spades is actually two things. So we're gonna split this into two things. Plus spades and then spades. Well, actually, no, I combined them already. Okay, never mind. Then this is stupid. For key in clubs, hearts, diamonds, spades. Level plus equals int get attribute student key 0. Return level. This can be shortened. I don't need the dummy variable. Okay. Evan, try code golf. Question mark. Okay, so then. Oops, that's not what I wanted to do. Okay, where was that? Stewlist.html. Student. Frick. Is it not UCMO? Is it UCMO score? It's probably UCMO score. Where did I define that thingy? I don't need you. This is dashboard view. UCMO. Yeah, it's UCMO score. Invalid filter. Did I forget to? Oh wow, it's actually working. It just works. Okay. I should probably put in a different column, right? I think I'm putting in a different column. I'll do it this way. And then I can. Oh, actually, I don't really care about the level for past years. I think. No, I think I should still have it. So when I have the past view and it shows it by semester, do I also want the level? No, I don't think so. I think it's fine. We'll only show the level for current. Okay, so let's test the level thing with the diamonds. So let's get a diamond. Cool. And oh, it's kind of hard to test spades. Whatever. I can at least plug in a UCMA score for the kid. Do you use Ajax? I largely don't. I just sort of have an aversion to JavaScript type based stuff in general. So I try to make things like mostly HTML. What? No. Level 10 should be level 105. Okay, so there's something wrong in something somewhere. The strength got left out. Okay, so I screwed up something with spades. Figures it's spades. LFS and HTML. Well, it's at the Django template, so you're kind of supposed to use stuff. Okay, so let's go under dashboard views again. Oops, didn't need to do that. If I type just spades equals FUCMO score, does that work? It does. So somehow if I add spades quizzes, it doesn't work? How do you add to... Wait, so like f of... This shouldn't... I don't think this should give you 0 though, right? Like if the sum is 0, it shouldn't return... If the sum is 0, it should just return 0 and not none. Can I... Is there an option to sum that lets me change that? Or maybe I'm just not doing the addition right. How do you add 2 fields? Okay, you know what? It's fine. We'll just do this. Spades quizzes is the sum. And then I will do the thing that I did earlier with the template tag. Template tags. This is so hard to read. I should just define an auxiliary variable for this, right? I don't need to inline the whole thing. So spades is that. Okay, and now this should give 105. Fuck. Okay, there we go. I don't understand. I really don't know why, like sums of 0 should just be okay, right? Like it's okay for an empty sum to equal 0. Oh well. Okay. beautiful. Show level on current semester listing. So that I probably want to update the leaderboard too then, right? Yeah, because here, okay, so I should update the leaderboard view. Did I put leaderboard? It's also under dashboard. Okay, that's an easy fix though. What I do is, let's find, we will also annotate, this should annotate level. And then the leaderboard. I actually, do I run into trouble if I like chain this much garbage? Surprisingly, no. Okay. Also, this kind of sucks. I don't need this annotation anymore though with the new system. Also, I don't think this field exists anyways. Nah. Actually, do I need this view? I feel like this view is sort of superfluous as long as I have a way to, like, on the home page, just sort, like, make the tables sortable. Which I should. There should be a way I can just sort by that level thing. Right? Yeah, because the units done field doesn't exist anymore anyways. Okay, so I don't think I care about this. I'm just gonna delete this thing. And then delete its corresponding URL. And then I need to delete it from the sidebar. So this will have sidebar, leaderboard. Go back to the home page. No, it's not happy with me. Oh, how did I screw that up? Oops. That's a mistake. I need to delete it from dashboard views. Didn't I just delete it? Did I not write the change? No, you're duping me. Okay, so this field is out of date anyways. I think on what I want to do is on annotate level. I want to also annotate, well, num psets is the name, which is count psets, pset unique is true, filter equals q pset approve. And then that view will work again, I think. Okay, but in the template, steal list. Well, how num psets? Hmm. Why didn't that change anything? P-sets? There should be one, right? Like he should have this one considered done. Why won't it let me? It lets me add up the clubs, but for some reason num-p-sets doesn't show up? That doesn't sound right. Does the order of these matter? Oh, still nothing. This whole thing I need to burn down at some point. All this stuff. Breakpoint. Okay, students want the clubs. Okay, so I actually need to force evaluate the query set, I think, in order to do this debugging. X1.level clubs. What? Where's the annotation? Whatever. Continue. I don't understand what just happened. Oh, it's because I have some... Okay, I'm just stupid. I don't know what that is for. Where do I reset that flag? Nowhere. Okay, this is just cruft then. Goodbye. Wow, I'm really bad at this. Ah! Default 0. Okay, and then this will also work for past semesters, although with past semesters, yeah, okay, cool. Well, okay, now I need to fix this. This is just count pset pk. Pset pk. Filter equal, and then same filter as the others. Nice. Okay, so that's that. And let's commit all of that. Let's see what I have. Score. Okay, and now what I want to do is I want to see if there is a way that I can make this table sortable. So what I'm looking for is like JavaScript sortable table to Django or something like that. Okay, cool. I can just use a CDN. So block script wait, that's not the actual link, is it? I love CDNs. Okay, and then Joe enhanced best instructor. Okay, so I have a table, ID equals students. We will put like hashtag students dot. Okay, I'll have to actually read the documentation. Okay, just dot table sorter. Okay, let's give that a spin. Did that do anything? Sad. Alright, what happened? Did that not work? Is it called JS instead of scripts? Let me see what it's called. No, it is called scripts. So this should work. Yeah, that should work. Okay. I hate JavaScript. Students, did I do a dum-dum? How did I screw this up? Hashtag students. Alright, this is how I debug my JavaScript. Length 1. Okay. Alright, let me actually read the documentation. I thought this would just be like... I have a TNT body, right? Am I a crazy person? Did that just... what? So the object is there. Oh, wait, it does work. I just didn't realize. Okay, that was very not obvious that they were clickable. I guess that's what I get for not loading their style sheet. Okay, it actually just works. Psst, never mind. Okay, wait, I have a question though. If I... Is it smart enough to know that some of those are numbers? Like if I give Alice... Hey, let's make her... Yeah, okay, it's smart enough to know their numbers. Alright, cool. Let's see. Okay, what other feature requests were there? People wanted an achievement list, right? Let's implement that. I can at least make it so that people can see like the set-ish of available diamonds. Will clutter the user panel too much if I have another diamond icon? I can also bury it. I don't need to make it that obvious. Dashboard. How do list views work? I forget the syntax. Okay, so I need a login required mixin because I don't want. No. Login required mixin. So, okay, template name equals dashboard diamond list HTML query set self query set achievement return objects annotate. So in the model, did I? It's stored in the student's end. Okay. Let's count user. Filter equals Q semester active. So this will go through all the achievers. Is that also active? Yeah, I want to filter by active. Is that everything I need? What do you mean operation at not supported? What? Why is that an error? Hello? Distinct equals. Ah. I don't understand why this is giving an error. Why is the linter so unhappy? Why is it throwing an error here? If I delete this whole block, it should be okay now. Oh, it's because I'm literally just missing a parenthesis. Wow, I'm bad. Oh, that was incredibly stupid. Okay, so extends layout.html, set ft equals html to Django. Layout block content. Okay, so then we have a other object name equals achievements. Okay, so now order by okay, bound by achievement. Oh shoot. I think I painted myself into a corner. I'll have to deal with it later. Because the image URL I think has the I'll have to re-upload all the images because this will leak all the codes. Yeah, shit. Okay, that's fine. I will do that later. Let's get this to work for now. So I want to right, we need to add the URL. Okay, so cache URLs. Okay. Dash. 还在呢。Cannot resolve keywords. I'm starting to feel. Actually, I think it makes more sense if I just do unique equals true. Okay. Okay, whatever. We'll just call it object list. I'm too lazy to figure out how to change it. Huh. It's still empty? That's weird. Why is it empty? Do I just not know how a list view works? Oh, I'm just stupid head. Okay. I'm a stupid head. Okay, let's fix that. Oh. Come on, what is it called? Hey. Okay. Let's get the debugger out. Request. Why? It's object underscore list. Achievement. Yeah, it should be there. So, why didn't it work? Is it just not refreshing? Like, the object's there. It's a query set. Yeah. So why can't I iterate over it? It keeps not letting. What? Am I a crazy person? Oh, it's probably called layout content and not content, huh? God! No, it's not. What is it called? Okay, now it's showing up. It's called layout content. Achievement list. So why won't this thing iterate? Now it's like 0, but it was... Oh, while I was screwing with this, okay. Ah. I guess I should have expected that. Let's put some random image in here so that I don't have this issue. Whatever. All right. Okay, I need to grab a diamond emoji. Red diamond. Oh, for heck's sake, come on. Okay, there, diamond emoji. And what color am I using for 9C? Found by one user. Beautiful. And okay, so it would be cool if I could do a thing where I gray out the images that the kid has and yeah, so you gray out the achievements that you dim or gray out the achievements that you haven't obtained yet, and then the ones that are obtained you can put in color. So achievements. So I want to annotate this list with list. Okay, student user pk equals request dot user. Django weather clause? Is that? I think this should be a queue clause. Self.request. Obtained. Where node has no attribute select format. Is it case? Obtained equals when student frick. How do I annotate with when? This one is that? I feel like it's not right. Do I want exists? Why don't you use VS Code with Vim plugin? Because I like Vim. I don't know, like, I feel like if I try to... Like, the Vim plugin will never be a perfect Vim emulation, right? Is that a true statement? I haven't actually tried it. But my guess would have been that, like... I don't know. Wait, is it not student.user.user? Like, oh, is it near perfect? I just haven't tried it. Alright, node object. Do I really have to use exists? Man, some of these results are like 10 million years out. Okay, we'll use case. I feel like this is really clunky. Really? Okay. Case. Alright, case it is. Case when n equals true, default equals false. This is a mess. Okay, let's give that a shot.
Would you like to chat with an Alexa Prize social bot?
No.
Okay.
Okay, once this works, I am adjourning for the day. God. Oh. Right. Pluralization. I don't remember what this is it? Freaking Really? I don't have any pluralizing. Okay, let me read the template. Oh, that's backwards. Okay. So that should make that. Okay, so now let's hijack. Actually, I don't think I need to hijack for this. Okay. Okay, so that's fine. And then if I hijack a person who has it, then make sure. Oh, freaking. Oh no. Oh, frick. How? Okay, well, crap. Dang it. Shoot. Really? Oh, this is a known bug. But, like, I'm not really trying to annotate. Hmm. Really? Freaking. I could hack it, and have it be 0 or none. Okay. This is so bad. Count. filter equals queue student user equals request self.request.user. And then this will be either 1 or none. That's such a disgusting hack. To do gross. Alright, and then when I release, okay. Beautiful. But Alice Hardwork doesn't have it. Okay, I'll do the styling later. As long as the achieve thing works, then that's okay. Okay, I think everyone's basically gone by now. For those of you who are paying attention, thanks for sticking around. Hope that was entertaining. These changes will take a bit before they make it all the way to prod. And also I need to work on some other things. There's a lot to do. Yep. All right, see ya.